Alright, so here we are on section 2.2, which is increasing the difficulty a little bit to solving two-step equations. And the first thing that I want to talk about is this concept of deduction. Now, a logical deduction is something that humans do all the time. And the first example that popped in my head is if your teacher gave you homework on Monday, gave you homework on Tuesday, gave you homework on Wednesday and Thursday, and you came into class on Friday, what would you deduce about getting homework that day? Well, using the information that you experience, you probably deduce or that you logically assume that you'll probably get homework for Friday as well. Or maybe you deduce that your teacher's a jerk or whatever. But anyway, so we need to use deduction in math as well. And here's some examples here. It says a multiple of 5 always ends in 0 or 5. So they have a number here, 240, and they're asked, is this a multiple of 5? So is 240 a multiple of 5? And yes, we could logically deduce it without even doing the calculation, that 240 is a multiple of 5 based on this previous information that we just learned. Then here's the next statement. If a number is a whole number, if number is whole number, then it's also a rational number. Excuse me. So all rational numbers must be whole numbers. Now we can't deduce this because they flipped it backwards. So a whole number is a rational number, and they're wondering, can you assume that rational numbers are whole numbers? No, we can't deduce that. And that's not true because some rational numbers like 1/2 are not whole numbers. Right? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rational numbers include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they also include fractions. So you could have a rational number that isn't a whole number. So we can't deduce this. So then it says consider a plus b equals 100 for values of a and b. When a increases, b decreases. So when b increases, a decreases. Is that true? So a plus b equals 100. When a increases, b decreases. So when b increases, a decreases. Yeah, I guess you could say that. I mean, that has to be true as far as I can see. Wouldn't you say so? Okay, so I would say that is a logical deduction. Okay, so now let's go on to the rest of the section and look at example 1.